Welcome to the future of high school English. If you're a class 11 or 12 student tired of dusty lectures and the old way of endless reading, GenZ English Academy is calling a system error on the traditional classroom. This academy isn't just about reading literature, it's about visualizing. By turning complex syllabi into digestible video content, they ensure you don't just read the text, you see it. Why this works? Language barrier broken. They provide easy Urdu explanations for English texts, allowing for a deep understanding in the language you actually think in. The methodology is simple. Combine hard work with smart work to achieve a total academic transformation. With full syllabus coverage for both grade 11 and 12, share with friends, and ace those exams together. Check out videos at youtube.com at GenZ_English_Academy to see the difference for yourself.